Guys, welcome to the little office setup. I'm gonna go do a little overview of some parts that I've just purchased and I'm gonna install. It's gonna transform the whole front end because, well, I want to do it. So I'm gonna start off with the Stage 3 series 3-inch pod lights from Diode Dynamics. Yep, that's a good one right there. I went with the amber style or the kind of the yellow style because I don't know, JDM, but I run a base, so as you know, we have no fog lights at all. And here is the box for the stuff. And let's unwrap this bad boy. Ooh, that is nice. All right, so this kit from Diode Dynamics comes with the mounting bracket. I believe it's 3D printed by a third-party company that is working with Diode Dynamics. And I have it in this second box right here. So this comes packaged in. I bought on Black Friday. I can't remember the exact price. I can probably look it up later if anyone really wants to know, but either way, it's quite a hefty price. Oh yeah, okay, so it comes with the wiring harness. It's pretty sick. All the necessary bolts that we need. I don't think these part numbers necessarily matter for us because we bought the kit together. And then the 2 light brackets to mount to our stock locations. Now, with stock headlights, we don't have, or stock, it's called fog light bezels, don't have an opening. You can cut an opening into it or you can upgrade. Unfortunately, yeah, I did it. I bought Chinese. That's fine. It's a part that is there. And yeah, whatever, dude. We bought Chinese for a lot cheaper than OEM bezels. You've probably seen the brand as like Noble and all that. I just bought the cheapest one on eBay. It's the same thing. It comes from the same factory. And you get this right here. Fog light bezel. It has silica black coloring. Then it has our LED running lights / turning lights. And then let's open it a little more. And then right there, we actually have a hole for the fog light. And it comes with some nice plugs that will plug into the stock locations right here and right here. So not too big of an issue. Let me cover this back up. And then the next part I'm gonna talk about is gonna be a slew of parts that you're gonna have to order separately. All right, so if you're coming from a base model, you're gonna need these brackets which go on to the stock lights, which are going to mount with the Diode Dynamics brackets on there. And it's gonna be sick, it's gonna work well. Let me find you the part number real quick. These are the brackets, front fog assembly, right hand. Just jot that down. And I will also put them in the description below. So let me give you the left hand drive side fog bracket, right there. Jot that bad boy down because you're going to need it. All right, then we have a slew of other parts. I just bought a bunch of push pins. These are just from Amazon, nothing special. And then I bought a bunch of other OEM bracketings that came in this baggie. So let's see what we got here. We got the fog lamp switch. So this is the switch that goes inside the car. This is the part number. This is how you're gonna turn your fog lights on in general. All right. And then I bought a bunch of random bolts. I'm gonna be honest, at this point in time, I don't remember what they go for, but I bought this one. And I think I bought a few of them. Let me double check for you. So I bought this one, two. So I think yeah, so for that one, I bought 2 of. Yeah, so there's 2 of these. We'll figure out what they're for later, but I think it's actually to mount the fog light brackets onto the bumper. And then you're gonna need this as well. It's gonna be the relay. The relay is gonna go under the hood in the relay box. It's gonna make sure that the fog lights work. So the piece de resistance, last piece that's gonna change up the front end, is gonna piss a lot of people off, is the Lavore grill. I don't know how I feel about the chrome. I might paint it in later. Maybe I'll paint match it. Maybe I'll just paint it black. And then, as you see right here, the STI logo. So Lavore STI part. It's gonna piss off a lot of people. All right, so the front end of the WRX, you've all seen it before. This is the base model, stock grill, stock base fog light, bezels. See right here, no hole, no punch out, no sequential, or is it sequential? Turning turning thing, whatever. We're gonna replace those right now. All right, so standard, taking off the bumper, we're gonna have one, looks like 10 millimeter right here, a push pin, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, push pin, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, push pin, 10 millimeter, and then come over to the side wall over here, or the side fender. We got a push pin that got pushed out for some reason. I guess I should have left it out because I'm about to take it off again. And then same thing on the other side. And then below, down here, we got some more push pins. I think 6 of them. We're about to find out in a second. I'm gonna go ahead and uninstall that right now. I'm not gonna do a time lapse because I don't want you guys to watch me fumble around with these dang old push pins. Okay, so once you have all the push pins and 10 millimeters taken out, this top portion comes right out. And now we move on to the fender ones and the bottom ones. So as soon as you get all the push pins and 10 millimeters off, you can finally take the bumper off. And now we're gonna take off the fog bezels. Fog bezels will have one push pin locking them in right here. So this is the right side, aka the passenger side. And then you just push this through and then you slide the fog bezels out. I'm gonna do that now, and then I'm gonna install the new fog light bezels. All right, after a little blood, sweat, and tears, these stinking things are on. It was a little, you don't have to be delicate with the stock ones, just FYI. I was a little delicate because I didn't want to break anything because I might want to reuse those later for like a custom mod. But anyways, this is looking pretty sick. We got the new eBay driver lights in, fog light bezels, whatever you want to call them. All right. Let's go on and install the dynamic diodes to the back side. I might shave off this bottom half right here because I'm pretty sure I can add a little more extra lighting because I know it blocks a little bit of it. I might shave that down. We'll find out in a couple minutes. All right, now we got the bezels and the fogs in. You can see right there the dynamic diodes. Kind of hard to see in this lighting. But we're gonna take out the grill now. The grill is very simple. I already took out the screws, but it comes with a bunch of screws in there, and they're just all the way around the grill area. And then you use the push clips, and then you just push them out. It's very simple. Basically have it out already, and I'll pop in the Lavore grill right there in 1 second. All right, we got the Lavore grill in, and the black matches the black here, which I really like. STI logo is still on there. Oh, it's gonna piss off so many people. But I dig it, Lavore grill. Something a little different until a better aftermarket design comes out for me. Now I gotta do the wiring and wire this in. Wire the sequentials, or the turnings, daylight runners, and then put in the button. And yeah, that should be pretty much it. And then we're done. It's getting dark outside, so we might be able to test lighting. The before lighting was basically nothing because I had no fog lights. All right, we finally did it after a few mistakes. It's already night outside and we got everything installed, everything working properly. So let's turn it on for you. Should be good. Should be fine. Wait. Hopefully I didn't undo any wires while I was down there. All right, so let's see. Right fog works, left fog works, right driver light works, left driver light works. So I did wire the fog's driving light just a little bit funky because I mistakenly added it as the turn signal. I guess you'll only see it when it's not running fog. So let's see if I turn off the fog, maybe it'll run. But I did wire up the DRLs as, oh, where's the button? The DRLs as turn signals as well. So yeah, you see right there, when the fog light is not on, it also acts, the fog acts like a turn signal. Kind of cool, I guess. It's supposed to be just a driver light, but you know what? I'll take it.